Nice smallie there.
Oh yeah, once it's
Morning, Nick.
Morning.
All right, so we're gonna go out fishing. We got 2 boats today. So we're gonna have a little John boat fishing tournament this morning, and I think we're just gonna do some fishing today. And run the boats out here on Saratoga Lake. Here's Tanner's new unit right here. I'm gonna add some B-roll footage from when we were out on Sacandaga Lake 2 days ago, and you guys will be able to see it in action. This boat's pretty quick. It's like 27 miles an hour, full throttle, 2 people and a dog with gear. It's not bad. 1448 with a 25 horse Merc on it. Then I got my little duck boat. I got that all rigged up for fishing. It's a little bit messy. I got the new grab bar installed, trolling motor, the deck. I got a carpet the deck yet. Yeah, so we're gonna get out there, and a lot of people at the launch today, so we really don't have a lot of time to fool around making this video, but yeah, we'll see you out there. About 1.5 pound, 2 pound smallmouth. I'm kind of surprised. It looks like she's getting ready to spawn already, so I'm gonna let her go. I caught her on a Kitech swim bait. What is that? A 4-inch? A 4-inch. It's let me see what color this is. It is a Easy Shiner Smallmouth Magic, and I caught her on a 1/4 ounce jig head with chartreuse and green. So hopefully it's a good start. I mean, I only been fishing for 30 minutes, so.
Not even.
You're not even.
Just so Ruby doesn't get. I don't think you spotted it yet.
Yeah.
Get the camera on?
I think so.
Nice. Good girl. Yep.
Oh, Ruby, stop biting. This thing won't let go. Well, guess hold it out for the camera.
Oh, we're out here in the middle of the lake. Tanner moved over to the south end of the lake, over here by this hill. I stayed up towards the north end of the lake. I don't have the fish finder hooked up, and I was talking to some guy on a kayak, and he said that his fish finder read 60 degrees. Last week the temperature was 38. So all these fish are probably all over this lake as far as depth goes and what they're deciding on doing. And the spawn might be an interesting spawn this year on this lake. So we haven't caught anything else except for that smallmouth and the pickerel, but we're gonna keep giving it a shot. It's about 80 degrees, maybe 85 right now, outside temperature, and just keeping an eye on the dogs, making sure that they're staying cool and staying hydrated, and they're doing good. They're not panting or anything, and they're actually, Jem right below me is napping, and she's about as happy as can be. So she doesn't mind the boat at all now, and yeah, I'm gonna keep making my journey across the lake. So see you over there.
I'm throwing these down. I was gonna fish. I was gonna catch that one.
Grab it. Yeah.
Nice. That shad just came
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
Not a bad little pipe. We say like, I don't know, 18 inches, 20 inches?
Right?
Not bad.
Not gonna.
Yeah, son. You'll probably have to retie after this one.
You're doing good, Evan.
Huh?
You're doing good.
Thank you. Number 3 for me.
What was that on, sir? Was that on the same Kitech?
Yeah, same Kitech with a 1 ounce jig.
Nice. Nice. You already said it. That one. All right, Tanner. You're switching over to a Kitech, I believe.
Yeah, I'm putting the same thing he's got on because he's got 3 and I got 0, so we're gonna try that out. Oh my god. Nice smallie there. Just gonna go through. Well, we're about 5 hours in. I got the first fish of the day for me. Nice little smallmouth bass. Ruby is excited as ever. And there we go. Back to the lake. Not 30 seconds after I hooked up, Nick's on.
Oh god, I'm all over here.
Don't let me. Hey, good. Get back in the boat.
Oh.
Flip it over. Flip it over. That was almost bad. Fish number 2 of the day for them?
Yeah.
Nice. Back to the lake. Fish number 2 of the day for me. Back-to-back hookups here. Oh, yeah.
45 seconds after Nick's.
We're on the juicy one now, bud. We're still deep. Here's my fun board.
Fish number 4. What do you say, Jim?
Yeah. What do you say, Ru? This one's your size.
That's what it is. Yeah, not bad. It's a little 1 pound bass. Of the day. Back to the lake. Well, we just wrapped up. It's about 4:30 now. And the fish kind of stopped biting. We're all sunburnt and we're ready to go home. Trolling motor batteries are just about dead. So, yeah, we're just gonna call it a day. It was pretty successful. So, yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in, and make sure to like and subscribe Flocked Up Outdoors, and we'll see you guys next time. Hey, buddy, where were you during duck season?